Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to speed up your Windows computer by reducing the number of processes running in the background. I'll be showing you this on a Windows 11 machine, but the steps will be the same on Windows 10. First, let's check how many processes are running right now so we can compare later and see how much we've reduced. To do this, we'll open up the Task Manager. You can do that by pressing the Windows key and typing Task Manager, or by pressing Ctrl+Alt+Delete and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, click on the Performance tab. As you can see, my system is currently running 246 processes, which is quite a lot and definitely slowing things down. Now, let's dive into how we can reduce that number. The first thing we're going to do is head over to the Startup Apps section. Here, we can disable any apps that don't need to launch when the computer starts up. I've already disabled most of mine, but you should go through this list and disable any apps that you don't need running automatically. To do this, just right-click on an app and select Disable. The status column will change to Disabled when done. Next, let's close Task Manager and open the Run dialog by searching for Run in the Start menu. Type in services.msc and press Enter. This will open a list of all the services running on your computer. We're going to scroll down and disable some unnecessary services. Start by disabling all Xbox-related services. Double-click on each of them, change the startup type to Disabled, and click Apply and OK. Then continue down the list to find BitLocker Drive Encryption Service, Connected User Experiences and Telemetry, Download Maps Manager, Parental Controls, Phone Service, and Wallet Service. For each of these, double-click on them, set the startup type to Disabled, and press Apply and OK. Once we've disabled those, let's move on. Close the Services window and open the Run dialog again. This time, type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under Performance. Select Custom, and then disable all the options except for Animations in the taskbar, show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply and then OK. Now, let's head back to the Start menu and search for misconfig. Open the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab, and check Hide all Microsoft services. Then click Disable All and press Apply and OK. You'll be prompted to restart, but for now, click Exit without Restart because we'll restart the computer later. Next, open the Task Scheduler by searching for it in the Start menu. In the Task Scheduler library, look for any tasks that don't need to be running. You can double-click on any task to get more details. For example, if you see tasks related to OneDrive or other apps you don't need running, disable them by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Be sure to research any tasks you're unsure about so you know exactly what you're disabling. Once that's done, close the Task Scheduler and go to Settings by searching for it in the Start menu. First, go to Personalization, then scroll down and click Taskbar. Disable widgets since they use unnecessary resources, then move on to Apps and Installed Apps. Carefully go through the list and uninstall any apps you no longer need. This can include Microsoft apps that came pre-installed. If you ever need them again, you can always reinstall them from the Microsoft Store. Also, head to the Gaming section and disable the game bar if it's turned on, as it runs in the background and consumes resources. Once you've made all these adjustments, it's time to restart your computer to apply the changes. After your computer restarts, let's check the Task Manager again. Open it, go to the Performance tab, and you'll see the number of processes running. As you can see, I now have only 137 processes running, which is a huge drop from the 246 we had earlier. That's nearly 100 processes less, and my system is running much smoother. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time.